Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, March 11, 2022. Yesterday, the markets gapped down. They consolidated for a while, ended up closing up at the highs of the session, and in doing so, they put in the smallest range of the week. And I'm talking about a range which is measured between the high and the low of the session. And since it's the lowest of the week on a Thursday, that means it is called an NR4, a narrow range 4-day. So we had the most narrow range of the past 4 days. Today, we're starting to see some strength in the overnight session. We're trading well above yesterday's high, and that's exactly the pattern that we're going to be looking at this morning, is opening above the prior day high following an NR4 day. So let me get it set up. I've got all four instruments selected. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we are trading well up above yesterday's high, so that is a gap up. I can click gap up here if I want to. It's not necessary because I've got open above prior day high selected here by hitting the equals next to it. So that's the opening location I'm going to use. The price patterns, I'm going to grab that NR4 pattern. It's available in the active today section. It's also available right here, range of the last session. There's a lot of different variations of it. I'm going to hit equals next to NR4, the most narrow of the last four sessions here. I've got that selected. Next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators, put it in a similar market environment. We closed below a 10 and below a 200-day simple moving average. And then I'm going to click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When you're in a weak market environment, you put in the most narrow range of the past four sessions, and then you gap up above the prior day high. Historically, we've got 31 samples in the S&P, we've got 21 in the NASDAQ, 39 in the Dow, 38 in the Russell. Win rates on these are all mostly favored up above the 60% level. So you've got S&P coming in 68%, the NASDAQ 59%, the Dow 62%, and the Russell 66%. So those are pretty strong. If we look at the average moves, average win here a little bit larger than the average loss for the S&P. That's not the case for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ has a larger average loss. Dow, larger average win, Russell, larger average loss. So two instruments have larger average wins, two have larger average losses, but all four of them have more often than not closed above the opening print for the session. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.